Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you a very easy tutorial of our Bengali favorite, one of the Bengali people's favorite food, Dahi Katla Fish. To make Dahi Katla Fish, you need fish, Katla fish of course, as the name suggests, yeah, and then coat it with salt and water. First things, and you have to freshly wash it in the water so that the all the ashes are gone, and then you apply salt all around its body, and you apply turmeric all around its body, and then fry it in I guess medium heat. Just fry it for like until your choice. Like if you want it to be really crispy, you fry it till that much. You want it to be little bit crispy and you want it to be soft, then you fry it little bit. But we like eating it little bit crispy, the outside layers and all, so that's why my ammo is frying it until it becomes crispy. So yeah, just fry the fishes until you reach your preference, and then you can take it out and keep it in a side plate. Then you can take a pot and pour some oil in there. Just put some cardamom and cinnamon inside there, and then put our onions, fry them, put our chilies and then fry them. The onions to your likings again, the chilies you can put, and then our curd, dahi, that is called dahi in Hindi, and put our dahi there, and we are putting a cube of ginger garlic paste, salt, turmeric, coriander and cumin, roasted coriander and cumin masala, and that red chili powder. That's all. And then make it like a curry, just like this. This will be our gravy. And then put some water. This already looks so good, and it smells so good. I wish you could smell it, that you'll be like, from your mobile you're getting so good smell. Then we are going to slowly place our fishes inside there, the fishes that we fried earlier, and then we are going to cover it and cook for some time, and then it becomes like this. Voila, it looks so good, and indeed it is so super yummy. I would recommend everyone to try it at least once, because you never know, right? Maybe you'll like it. And that's all. I hope you like it. Bye bye. Wassalam.